In this video, we are going to discuss one more question in Mains 2023. Let A bar is equals to 2 and B bar is equals to 3 and the angle between the vectors A bar and B bar is at pi by 4. Then modulus of A bar plus 2B bar cross 2A bar minus 3B bar whole square. It is very simple question. So first of all, you have to recall the properties of the cross product. Okay, then first you see this one. Here is that A bar plus 2 into B bar, 2 into B bar plus cross 2 into A bar minus 3 into B bar. Now you know that some basic properties in the cross product. So what are those properties? A bar cross 2A bar. A bar cross 2A bar means 2 into A bar cross A bar. You can write that 2 into A bar cross A bar. Minus A bar cross 3 into B bar is that 3 into A bar cross B bar. Okay, and next one is plus 2 into B bar cross 2 into A bar is that 4 into B bar cross 4 into B bar cross A bar. Okay, and next one is plus into minus is minus 2 B bar cross 3 B bar will be 6 into B bar cross B bar. Okay, so now you know the cross product of same vectors will be nothing but 0. So here the first one will be nothing but 0 and the last one is also it is at 0. The remaining will be nothing but minus 3 into A cross B plus 4 into B cross A. You know minus A cross B you can write that B cross A. So here you can write that this one will be 3 into B cross A plus B cross A plus 4 into B cross A. Totally this value will be equals to what? 7 into B cross A. Totally this value is at 7 into B cross A. So now after that, see here you can write that minus 7 into A cross B also. But the question is that what? You have to find out that modulus of A bar plus 2 into B bar, A bar plus 2 into B bar cross 2A bar minus 3 into B bar whole square. So when we take the modulus, there is no difference of A cross B and B cross A because of modulus of A cross B is equals to modulus of B cross A. So you can write this one will be equals to 7 whole square into modulus of A cross B or B cross A. Anything you can write it. So here A cross B or B cross A, anything you can write that. B cross A whole square. Okay, so now what is that modulus of B cross A value? That will be equals to modulus of B bar into modulus of A bar into angle between that B bar and A bar. Angle between A bar B bar and angle between B bar A bar is the same. So you can write that sine of pi by 4. Angle between that A bar and B bar is pi by 4. What is that formula for that A cross B and modulus of A cross B? First point is that B cross modulus of B cross A. So now according to this one, so you can write that this one will be equals to modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar into sine theta. What is that theta in this one? Angle between the vectors A bar and B bar. So how much is given that modulus of A bar and modulus of B bar? You know 49 into modulus of B bar value is that 3. Okay, into modulus A bar is equals to how much? That is that 2 into sine pi by 4 is equals to 1 by root 2. Okay, here you forgot to write that one thing. Here whole square is there. Here whole square is there. So totally this value will be whole square into here it is also whole square. So this one we can write that 49 into and 9 into 4 into 1 by 2. Okay, so here is that 2 will be the cancel the 2 times, that is equals to 49 into 9 twos are is that 18. So I think your right answer will be here is that you multiply these two, this one will be equals to 49 into 18. So that means 8 sevens are 8 9 8s are 72 and 8 fours are 32, 32 or 7 39. Okay, and next one is that this value will be 49. Now your answer, this is that 2 and this is that 18 and this one is that 8. So your right answer will be 882 is the right answer. 882 is the right answer. So I hope that everyone is clear this calculation part. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.